Part 10. How to read measurement results. This is also a relatively important section. First, we enter the command 01030101. The register at address 0 by 0101 is a read-only register. This register stores our measurement results. 0103, 0101, 0001. Click Send. The measurement result value is 0078. Since we haven't added water yet, this is the empty value, which corresponds to 12 millimeters. We can click on this serial port software. It has a timed transmission function. We set it to send this command once per second. Then we can observe the change of the value 0078, as well as the change of the 4 to 20 mA current. Let's gradually fill the tank to full liquid level. You can see that the 4 to 20 milliamperes current value is changing, and our measured liquid level value is also changing. We can keep increasing the liquid level. Okay, our current liquid level has now reached the full value. You can see that the current value is now 20 milliamperes, and the liquid level value we read here is approximately 500 millimeters. Okay, this part is now complete. The liquid level measurement section is finished. Next, we will lower this liquid level down to the minimum value. Now we have lowered the liquid level to the minimum. Let's turn off the timed transmission function. And then, we need to read the measured temperature. It should be noted that if the customer has not customized the liquid temperature measurement function, the output temperature value will be the internal temperature of the sensor's chip. Then, how do we read the temperature value? We need to enter the command 01030102. This is one register higher than the one used for liquid level measurement. Send the command 0103010200. Click Send. The value we read is OCE4. We need to convert OCE4 to a decimal number. Let's use a calculator to convert it. OCE4 converts to 3,300 in decimal. Divide 3,300 by 100, and that gives the internal temperature of the sensor. If the customer has customized liquid temperature measurement, then the register at OXO102 will display the temperature of the measured liquid as customized by the customer. This chapter ends here. We understand your needs.